right, ladies and gentlemen, what you are going to do is do some practice shapes. After watching the video, you are going to take 2 sketchbook pages, a 2-page spread, mine are not currently in my sketchbook, and you're going to divide these 2 pages using pencil into 3 equal spaces. So more than half a page for each. Okay, there we go. So, and you're going to label your 3 spaces, spheres, cylinders, and prisms. Now, in each space, you are going to draw 5 accurate objects. Sorry. 5 accurate objects. So we're going to start with spheres. Now, you're going to start by practicing. Now, there's a reason I wanted this on a 2-page spread because I want them pretty big, like at least like 3 fingers big. Now, is that a good circle? Not really. So I need to practice. This is one reason why we're doing this. I'm practicing making a good circle. I'm using my pencil. I can use my eraser. There are big erasers at your table where I'm kind of playing with and drawing that circle. Once I have my first circle pretty good, erase all my extra lines. And then, just like in that video, I'm going to kind of draw those like globe lines. Somebody was calling them earlier globe lines, which are those ellipses that go in the middle. And you can kind of draw one going this way too, so that you're kind of getting that sense that this thing is round. Okay? That is all I want. For spheres, I want you to practice. So you're going to do 5 of them. 3, 2, 5 spheres where you're practicing that shape and maybe putting these lines maybe on this one, those lines are, maybe this one's over here and this one's over here. Move these lines around inside. So 5 spheres. 5 cylinders. Now, one reason why I had to do spheres first is so you get that oval. Okay, and actually we're going to come back to cylinders because we're going to do, let's do spheres and then cylinders, so that you can get that ellipse. When you are drawing a cylinder, I do not want to see a circle at the top. When we're drawing these cylinders, you're not actually going to see circles at the top. You're going to see these kinds of ellipses. So you're going to practice drawing that ellipse. Now that ellipse is an oval that kind of comes to a point. So see how I can kind of draw a line here and it's evenly divided? That's what you want. If I'm drawing like a random oval and I draw here, are these evenly divided? No. So that means this one here needs to get a little smaller. All right. Then from that point, just like he said, you're going to draw those parallel lines coming down. And then this bottom curve should match the top curve. There we go. So, practice drawing a cylinder maybe that way, maybe on this one here. Once again, about 3 fingers big. Maybe this time I'm drawing the cylinder sitting on the table, and if I draw that, oh wait, to erase those other lines. I'm drawing very lightly so that I can erase easily. And then I'm going to make this cylinder go back in space a little bit. And I'm going to make this match this. So now I've got a cylinder laying down. Something's wrong here. All right. Now I'm doing this way faster than you are because have I done this for many, many, many years? Yes. So 5 cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cylinders. And then we're moving on to prisms. So remember what he said with prisms? You want to have those triangles going up in space, as if they have a line that connects them. So you're drawing that center line, then you're dividing up those triangles, and you're drawing that top space, erasing any extra lines, making sure that all those lines are fairly straight. Now, do I want you to go get a ruler? Not really. You can just do it with your hands, but if you're noticing that like a line is curving, you don't want to do that. Now, is that prism a good size? No, it's too small. So I got to draw it a little bigger. So I'm going to change my triangle a little bit. I'm going to change it over here a little bit and just draw it a little bigger. That's a better size. Practice drawing cubes, practice drawing, making them more rectangular prisms. See how this one's longer on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That is what I am expecting from your generic practice page. No shading yet. We're going to come back to shading. So, get started.